There is only one presence and one power in the universe and in my life. God, the good omnipotence. The Christ Spirit lives within me. Thoughts held in mind produce after their kind. I experience God's presence and power through prayer and meditation. I put my faith into action by demonstration. So these are the 5 steps of what it means to even be human. We are divine creatures having this very human external experience. So over and over again, step 1 starts with what I believe. What do I believe? And many of us grew up in cultures and in maybe childhood that we believed that God, yes, good, but distant, or God, yes, good, but where is God in my pain? And so we were, and at least in my experience, it was like I kind of had to keep kind of talking God into being with me, because that was the belief system, that we were separate because of something that was done a long time ago, and I guess I have to pay for that. But then on the other hand, there was teachings that there's a Holy Spirit. The Christ Spirit lives within me. Well, if I do live out of that space, the Christ Spirit, the perfected vision of what humanity is to be, if that lives within me, then boy, I have a potential that I can live as maybe even Jesus showed us in the scriptures. And then really talking about thoughts, nobody trained me in thoughts. Like, I don't know, we were supposed to keep our thoughts pure, but what does that even mean? And boy, I sure couldn't keep mine. I had errant thoughts, I had thoughts of this and thoughts of that, and I have 1,000 thoughts in a minute, it seems like. So what does it mean, thoughts produce after their kind? Well, as we learn in unity, it's the thoughts that we focus on, it's the thoughts that are repetitive, it's the thoughts that have feelings to them. Usually they're thought-based beliefs. And if I believe something to be true, you better believe I'm going to live it out, because we're manifestors. We are truly made in the image of the divine. So if the divine put things into motion, right, so do I. And then I experience God's presence and power. How do I experience? Well, there's a recipe: through prayer and meditation. Prayer is I voice out what I want to manifest. Meditation is I hear that Christ presence within me. I get quiet. I meditate, or I focus on some key words perhaps, maybe an affirmation. Some people do a simple breath exercise. I am, inhale, breath, exhale, love. Or I am, inhale, breath, exhale, whole. And then that's all behind the scenes, right? We're talking everything that is happening between these 2 ears and in the body. So 5 is I put my faith into action by demonstration. All of this, whatever I have my faith in, and by the way, we have faith in many things, right? I don't know about you, but sometimes I can have faith in how much my checking account has and then start to demonstrate lack in some ways, right? And so, but I can also have faith in my ability to do things and take steps to do something maybe I've never done before, and that's courage. So I just wanted to do a quick maybe review on the 5 principles.